Hi guys, this is my first time to use my GoPro 7 Black Hero 7. I don't know what it is called. I am in Sydney now. It's heavily raining outside. I just wanted to check how it is shooting. So let's have a look. Is it recording now? It's a bit weird. Anyway, it was my first day to use GoPro action camera. When I opened the box, I was surprised by the size. I love it. The battery capacity was about 40% in the beginning. I've been recording for about 20 minutes. And we've got only 2% left. 2%? What the?